Welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to install Google AI Gemini. In the first method, I install it via the Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Gemini and go to the official website. In the upper right corner, click the three dots. Find the category Cast, Save, and Share and click Install Pages app. Then click Install. Close all windows, and you will see a Google Gemini shortcut on the desktop. The program is now installed. The second method is similar, but we will install it using the Microsoft Edge browser. First, uninstall the Gemini version installed via Google Chrome. Launch the Microsoft Edge browser. Similar to the first method, go to the official Google Gemini website. In the upper right corner, click the three dots. Find the category More Tools, then Apps, and click Install this site as an app. Google AI Gemini is installed. Thank you for watching. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Good luck.